This is not a chocolate, neither a brownie, and your brain will refuse to believe this. This is not a chocolate, and it is made from only three ingredients in just a 10 minutes. Yes, in 10 minutes from the three ingredients, and that is the better than any sweets that you have ever tasted in your life. Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. This is a finger millet or a ragi burfi. It is safe for kids, elder or diabetic patient under the moderation, and it is full of iron. Once you will try this, you will forget the market sweets forever. No sugar, no chocolate, but it still looks like a chocolate. Isn't it irony? And kid loves this iron sweet more than chocolate. It's healthy as well as interesting, so let's start. For this, we have to add a unsalted butter or a ghee in the pan or a kadai and melt it till it melts. We are going to prepare a jaggery syrup, and for that, I have added 50 grams jaggery. Jaggery is a good form of sugar that we can consume, and I have melted this jaggery like this, and bubbles come out of the whole dessert making process involves roasting, mixing, and spreading. After caramelizing the jaggery, we are going to add 1 glass of water in it and let it to make syrup. And after that, we are going to add here the finger millet powder or flour in the unsalted butter. It is also known as a ragi flour, and I am going to add the 2 cup of finger millet or ragi flour in this unsalted butter or ghee, and I am roasting this finger millet till it turns aromatic. The finger millet is a super healthy source of a food, and it contains a lot of iron, help in a digestion and beneficial for our stomach and skin too. And almost our jaggery syrup is ready to add as a sweetener in this sweet dessert. And our finger millet is roasting step by step. We have to roast up to 1.5 to 1 2 minute so that all the finger millet aroma of rawness goes out from it. And after roasting it for 2 minutes, I am going to add this jaggery syrup in this finger millet and making it like a paste. And after paste, I am going to give it a semi solid dough, and I am blending and mixing it this like so that the lumps of the flour won't remain inside it. Super healthy sweet ever, and your child will love it. It is without a chocolate or a cocoa powder, and the sweetener also used is a comparatively of a healthiest type, and not only the kids or the children, you also enjoy it. Adults as well as old people will enjoy it. Also, diabetes patient can consume it, but in moderate amount. And we will make the balls like it after. Look how unsticky and soft it is, and we will make like this and knead in 1 to 2 times so that all will mix. And after 5 minutes, we will give this shapes like this to cut in a shape, and I am placing this in the shape with a hand. You can also use the roller. It is super easy to make, and you can store it up to the 1 week. In 10 to 15 minutes you can prepare this sweet dessert, and you can enjoy this up to the 1 week. And we will make it soft like this. After that, we will do cutting of this. You can give any shape like a burfi or any sweet. It is super soft and it smells so good. For cutting, I am giving the outer cut so that it will look better. And I have added up for garnishing, I have added these sesame seeds over it because the sesame seed which helps in the better absorption of iron from this finger millet inside our body. It looks so healthy, and I am giving these cuts. You can also follow this and enjoy these sweets at your home. It is super easy to make, and your kids will love. If you are trying to gift anyone sweet, you can try this recipe. This looks so cozy, and it is so cheap to make, and it is simple as well as it consumes your times. Look how soft and healthy it looks. If you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to our channel for new interesting and healthy recipe. Also comment how do you like this sweet recipe. And for more garnishing you can use any type of nuts, and I'm using here peanuts over it. You can use almonds or cashew nut over it. It is super soft, juicy, as well as sweet, and gives chocolatey flavor without using chocolate or cocoa powder. How do you like this sweet dessert recipe, which can be prepared in just 10 to 15 minutes at your home with a simple ingredient like finger millet powder, jaggery, and butter? If you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.